Hello friend, Mormo here. I'm making this video because I want money. And today we're looking at e-marketing tools. Hold on a second. E-marketing tools for you. And let's jump over to the screen recorder and we'll take a look at e-marketing tools for you. So keep watching. Okay friends, so here we are, EZCashBiz TEAM, an e-marketing tools for you team. Join our team and we'll get you 3 paid referrals. Surfing, click here to open this page in a new window. And they say they have autoresponders, splash page builders, web hosting, and a link tracker and rotator. And I kind of need all of those tools, so let's take a look and click on Get Started here. Team registration. If you plan on being part of this team, it is very important that you do not join e-marketing tools for you using any other referral link. More info will be provided in your welcome email after subscribing. Be sure to check your spam folder so you don't miss the confirmation. So let's do there and there. Subscribe. Thank you for requesting the information and or subscribing to one of my email lists. Any information you requested in a welcome email should be in your inbox in just a few minutes. Every email you receive from any of my automated autoresponders will include an unsubscribe link. So that's pretty standard. David J. Rosso. Right on, so let's check our email and see what we get. Sign up confirmation. We'll click there. Thank you for subscribing. E-marketing tools for you. Your all-in-one e-marketing tools platform. And so let's go back. Here we go. Welcome. Thank you for registering to be a part of the EZCashBiz team here at e-marketing tools for you. Collective of people working together to help each other build their downlines. When you register to join the team, as you have done, your name is added to the list of people waiting to join. You will remain on this pre-team wait list until it is your turn to join the team. You will then receive an email from the team leader that will include a team member's referral link that you will use to join. I'm not getting any. Oh, this sucks. Oh man, so I don't even know how much it costs, or this is lame. A wait list. There's not even any information about the program. Let's try this. This is just the same link. How lame. EZCashBiz team. They don't even show you or tell you anything about this business. That's pretty ridiculous. Like, I thought there'd be a tour of the business or something. I'm just gonna copy this. And let's try this in the... Good. Search volume is poor. Oh, there's nothing on it. Well, I'll do it. What the heck? Let's jump back to the webcam. Okay, friends, so I signed up for that, what was it? EZCashBiz program, and it's for an affiliate program, and it has hosting, autoresponder, and splash page builder, and rotator, and link tracker. And it seems okay. It didn't seem like it had a site builder or anything. I would kind of need to have a site builder, I think. And it was $15 a month, which is pretty decent. It looks real similar to this program called Babbo, Build a Business Online. Only I think Babbo kind of offers you more and has a better paying affiliate program and everything. This program is 5 levels deep, but let's be honest, like, I have a hard time recruiting even one person into a money-making scheme, so while it would be awesome to have this huge downline of everybody paying you an affiliate commission, it just doesn't seem likely. Like, I've been with GDI for like 6 months, 7 months now, and I haven't been able to recruit one person, so how is this company going to be any different? And I guess EZCashBiz is claiming they'll put 3 people under you, which is pretty cool. I think 3 people still wouldn't pay for the software, but it would be a start. Anyways, it seems alright. It kind of upsets me that, like, I entered my email and verified my address, and then I still didn't get any information. I had to Google. There's nothing on YouTube about it, not one video. And then I had to Google, and Google tried to search for something different. So I had to specify, no, I want to search for this particular thing. And then finally their website came up, and I saw that it was like $15 a month. And what it offers, it doesn't, like I say, I think Babbo offers a little more. And it doesn't have the 5 levels deep commissions, but it has like, I think it's like 70% on the first level, the people who sign directly under you. So that would probably pay off a lot better than for me, because like I say, my audience just really isn't into make money and stuff. But if you do want to make money, I got a program you can join. There's a link in the description. It'll teach you like how I make money on YouTube and everything. And there's several ways. There's like 3 major traffic sources that you can use to get traffic, and it's really awesome program. So click the link in the description, and thanks so much. Okay, friend, I'm back. I've been thinking about this program and having more thoughts about it. And maybe it is a good program. I'm just gonna wait and see what they email me. Let me check my email right now. The list moves in a first come, first served basis, and the time it takes depends solely on the amount of incoming prospective members and how long it takes people to upgrade their accounts. Once the team member has their 3 paid referrals, they are bumped from that list, and the next team member moves up and we start getting their free referrals. It says if you have any questions, you can email them at any time. But the reason I think I'm started thinking more about this business is that I'm really trying to figure out a way to start a Mormo franchise where somebody can pay a small monthly fee and have a Mormo business set up. All they got to do is send traffic to the Mormo business pages and stuff. So they would get like splash pages and emails. It would be nice if everything could be set up for them, but I guess I could always just set it up for them and give them the links and stuff. But I just want to come up with a way where people can get paid to share my videos. And this program could be a potential way to do that. There's also Babo, and so but they only pay on 1 level at Babo. This one pays on 5 levels. But I want a system where people can join, pay a monthly fee, and then they get like a Mormozine business set up for them that they just send traffic to. So there's potential with this business. I'll just wait and see what happens, what emails I get and everything. And thanks so much for watching.